Good morning students and welcome to the class and welcome to English subject as our sight word series is going on, and today also we are continuing the same series of sight words, and I hope last 2 days the sight words which I have sent you, it will be beneficial for you, but only it will be beneficial for you when you will learn it. Okay, so let's see the sight words and just repeat with me and just listen carefully. The first sight word I am going to write is G R O U P. What I have done? G R O U P. Group. What is the word? Group. Again we will repeat the letters. G R O U P. Group. Very good. The second word I am going to write. See on the board. G A V E. The second word G A V E. Give. What is the word? Give. G A V E. Give. Okay. The third word group. Gave. Then G O E S. Goes. What is the third word? G O E S. Goes. Repeat again. What is the word? Goes. G O E S. Goes. Very good. Then the next word H E A R D. Heard. H E A R D. Heard. Repeat again. What is the word? Heard. Okay. H E A R D. Heard. The next word is H U R T. H U R T. Hurt. What is the word? Just see again. H U R T. Hurt. What is the word? Hurt. Just listen the differentiation, okay? The fourth word is H E A R D. D is here. What is here? D. Heard. Heard means I heard. मैंने सुना है. I hear. Hear, heard. Okay? सुनना. I heard. And this is H-U-R-T. Hurt. Hurt means चोट लग जाना. Okay? Both words are different and the pronunciation is also different. Heard. D. D. Hurt. T. T. Understand? Now the next word I am going to write. The next word is F A S T. What is the next word? Yes. F A S T. What is this? Fast. What is the word? Fast. F A the next word? F I. बेटा repeat with me and speak loudly. Repeat with me. आपको मैम के साथ बोलना है. F I R S T. First. What is the word? First. Again. F I R S T. First. Okay, let's see 6th and 7th again. This is F A S T. Fast. Fast means jaldi jaldi. Fast. And this is F I R S T. First. When you won, you just got the first rank. This is the first. And this is fast. Both are different word and different meaning both have. Okay. After then, the next is I F. I F. If. What is the word? If. I F. If. Again, what is this word? If. Very good. After then, the next word is F O U N D. What is the next word? F O U N D. Found. What is the word? Found. F O U N D. Found. Understand? What's the word is this? Found. Find. Found means कोई चीज अगर आपकी lost हो गई है, आपको मिल गई है, you can say I found. मुझे मिल गई है. Okay? I found it. मैंने उसे ढूंढ लिया है. The next word we are going to write is F E A T H E R. F E A T H E R. Feather. What is the word? Feather. Again. F E A T H E R. Feather. What is the word? Feather. Okay, let's again revise all the words. The first word is G R O U P. Group. What is the word? Group. The second is G A V E. Give. Give. G O E S. Goes. What is the word? Goes. H E A R D. Herd. What is the word? Herd. H U R T. Herd. Herd. After then, the next is F A S T. Fast. F A S T. Fast. F I R S T. First. First. I F. If. F O U N D. Found. Found. F. E. A. T. H. E. R. Feather. Feather. These all words also you have to learn and you have to do all these sight words in the notebook. These all are not enough the sight words. There are thousands of sight words that help us to make our reading easy. But when as we will read the chapters, there also I will just tell you the hard words, the new words, the words meaning. By that also you will learn a lot of words, and that all words will help you in reading, speaking and understanding the English language. Okay students, this work also you have to do in very good handwriting in your English reader notebook. Okay students, thank you.